Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday afternoon, I made a video on how to center names on a name tag. And a viewer or subscriber sent me a pretty detailed email this morning, or well, I don't know when he sent it. I got it this morning, and he made a lot of sense. And I'm gonna use part of what he said. I'm gonna change it up a little bit because I started thinking about it. If you're just making a couple of name badges, 10 or so, and this one might be over the top, but well, I've got a name badge that's 3.25 by 1.25 or 1.5. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to contour that name badge 0.15. What that does is kind of gives me a starting and stopping point, and you also need to remember to break that apart. And also you need to remember either to delete it or, well, you just want to delete it. There's a way you could go into editor and make it where it would not print, but the safest way would just be to delete it. So we're going to take our name and we're going to hit, I'm drawing in the center of the page. I'm going to hit P on the keyboard and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and click that and then hit B as in bottom. I'm going to take our John Doe High School and hit P. Shift click the box again and hit T as in Tom, and that put it in the top. And then when you hit P, it puts it in the middle, and then you can delete. Whoop, I deleted the wrong one. You can delete our contour line, and that spaces it out equally. Now what I would do is put this in the top corner of your laser bed or of your Corel bed. So when you take it out to your laser, and if you're using 4-inch wood, as I do on name badges, we need to change this to -4. And we need to make a duplicate, and this is 3.25, so we're going to move it over 3.4, just so we won't waste wood. Control D, and just make as many duplicates as you want. Now I make my name badges in name tags a little different because I get the customer to email me the list, so I won't have to spell them out and have a chance. But here's one of the suggestions the person gave me. Make sure it's center justified, and then when you type in the new word, we'll make a shorter name and call it Ted Black. Not only is it going to be centered, but it's the same distance off the bottom. You know, and then just go to the next one and edit that name and make it Bill Smith. And just so on and so on. And it makes a good point. Pick your longest name first, get it to fit, and then, because I've done this before, and then I had to start making after I made them all, I had to make some of the fonts smaller. This way it makes them all equal to do it this way. So I want to thank him for emailing me and with the suggestions, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.